Okay, now we are going to learn how to factor trinomial. So our model is ax squared plus bx plus c. First step is you are going to multiply a times c. In this case, ax squared, a is 1. 1x squared. 1 times x squared is x squared. So we have 1 here. Okay? So a times c, that will be 1 times 2, and that is equal to 2. Now, after multiplying a times c, or the first coefficient and the last term, then we are going to look for a factor of 2. 2 can be 2 times 1, right? 2 times 1 is 2. Another, negative 2 times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 also is 2. Now, which of these two factors that if you add will give you negative 3 as the middle term? 2 plus 1 is not negative 3, but negative 2 times negative 1 is negative 3. So we will make use of this factor, negative 2 and negative 1. Therefore, the factor for x squared minus 3x plus 2 is x minus 2 and x minus 1. That is how simple to factor a trinomial. Now, let us proceed for number 2. Again, let us going to multiply a and c. A times c, so we have 1 times 48. So 1 times 48 is equal to 48. Then afterward, let us look for a factor of 48 that if we add will give you 14. 48 can be 24 times 2. It can be 12 times 4. Okay? It can be 6 times 8. And many more. Now, among these factors, which of these factors that if you add will give you 14? Let us try. 24 plus 2 is 26. 12 plus 4 is 16. 6 plus 8 is 14. And that satisfies the middle term. So therefore, the factor for this trinomial, p squared plus 14p plus 48, is p plus 6 and p plus 8. These are the factors of this trinomial. Let's proceed to number 3. Again, we're going to multiply the first term and the last term. First coefficient and the last term. So a times c, a is 2, c is 30. What is 2 times 30? That is 60. Now, the factor of 60 that if we add will give us negative 16. 60 can be, we have 12 times 5. Okay? But this is negative. 1 must be negative because the middle term is negative. So we have 10, negative 10, okay, times negative 6. Okay? Is there any other factors? So now we have the hint, right? 12 plus 5 is not 16 or negative 16. But negative 10 plus negative 6 is negative 16. So we have the factor now, the r minus 10 and r minus 6. Number 4, AC. So we have a times c, we have 3 times 6, that is 18. Right? Factor of 18. So negative and positive, if the last term is positive and the middle term is negative, let us look for a factor both like this, negative and negative. So here comes 9n. So negative 6 times negative 3. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Negative 6 plus negative 3 is negative 9. So it satisfies the middle term. So we have n minus 6 and n minus 3.